Hi, I'm Eli, and I make games. Now, this video will be a little different than my usual ones, but stick with me here. I just got a new microphone, so I figured, I would show it off. Now, before, I've just been using this crappy mic that's built into my Chromebook, but now, I'm using a real microphone. So let's hear how it sounds. So this is how the new mic sounds. I think it's noticeably better at capturing sound than the last one, but that might just be me because all the time I listen to recordings of me talking while I edit videos. Now, this mic has a little volume slider and also has echo setting. But enough of me rambling, let's get into the video. Okay, you can't really see that. But look, new microphone. I'm gonna try unboxing it. Yeah, so if you didn't realize already, we got a pretty cool arm reveal, Sonic the Hedgehog t-shirt reveal, and hand reveal. Very cool, I know. But, we got a new microphone, so I'm gonna open it up. I don't have any scissors, do I? Be back. I am back with Skithers. Now I can actually open this. So, here with said Skithers. And, yeah. So, I don't know how people really do this. I'm just doing this because why not? But yeah, so I found this microphone online. It's normally $80 on Amazon, but there was a coupon code. Got it for $30. Also, good job, Skithers. There doesn't. Oh, never mind. There is a tape. Also, this is probably the most YouTuber-y video I'll ever put out this year, so you're welcome. There we go. Oh, this is nice. Let's do it this side. I'm gonna show this. Move my clay. Oh my desk is messy. Okay. So, oh. Film. Throw that away. And it's a good stuff. So, also, if you didn't realize already, I'm not doing the best at recording. If you look back there, that way, childhood pictures, preschool. So, I got a little, I think that's a tripod. Yeah, that's a tripod. I think. It said on the back all it had. But yeah, that's like the stand or... No, it's a filter. It doesn't go like this. It's like that. I've never used one of these microphones before. I'm clueless. More stupid. USB cable. Important. Hooking up all your wonderful computer needs. Woo! Oh. Instruction manual. Okay. More of this. Stupid styrofoam. Okay, now we're actually getting the stuff. So, here's this. I don't know what this is. Oh, bubble wrap and more packaging. Throw that away. Throw that away. This thing makes sounds. I'm guessing that's just a part. I'm gonna have to figure out how to throw this thing together. This is big. I think this is a tripod. if I'm not mistaken, but it's probably not, because I'm always mistaken. That's a sound. Don't break this, Eli. I know you can't see this right now. Yeah. Okay, I'm back adjusting stuff because I realized it wasn't that great of a deal too. But I did get that tripod thing. I would lean over and grab it, but I don't want to show my face. So, look, I use my foot. That's so cool. I don't know what this is. I think it's like a pole you put it on. Who knows? Let's set that down. Okay, moving on. Here's a little filter foam thing. This goes on the microphone. I know that. I actually know something from once. This is actually in a package. I have a feeling there's a way to actually. Oh yeah. Tripod. Okay, dokie. These guys. This thing. I really don't know how this works. I'm gonna figure it out in the manual, but I gotta. Okay, so I pulled it out of the bag. Well, I pulled it out and it just fell out the bag. But this thingamajig. A lot of these are just parts that will just magically assemble. But here's the one I've been saving for last. It's the actual microphone. I believe if I do this correctly. Hello. You put that on the microphone. Boop boop. Set that all down. But yeah, you get to really absorb what that looks like. And I think that's it. Yes. So I'm going to go through the manual and try and figure out how to put it all together, and then I'll show you the results. So. Box. Just a quick note. I just grabbed the manual and I heard it's tiny. Oh, it's pretty small. Yeah, so let's just pick this up. Yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that. Yeah. Oh goodness. Wow, I'm back. Editing. Whoop. So first of all, tripod, woo. What I didn't realize is that this giant manual, one side's just written in Mandarin, so, yeah. You can't really read that because of my lighting. Too bad, too sad. But the actual putting together, it just kind of shows it here, which I'm pretty kinesthetic and visual, so. Easy. No, this took me like 30 minutes. But yeah, so we got a little tripod here, and I left the microphone over there. Microphone. So we got microphone. We got tripod. Now I'm gonna try and lower this tripod. So you can actually kind of see it. Hopefully it did not break anything. Yeah, that's as low as it goes. But it kind of like screws in here. But I do that. This takes a little bit because, you know, gotta be sturdy. And now look, microphone. I'll have it here. Be like, okay, that just fell over. Oh, I need to tighten this. Oh, is that a little better? Oh yeah, that's a little better. It's not falling over. Boop boop. I'm gonna try and put this up a bit. Yeah, there we go. Boop boop boop. So yeah, there we go. Tripod. So I'm gonna take out the microphone. Ugh. Come on. It's taking forever. There we go. Okay, I moved so I could show off this setup. You know, this. So this needs to be moved up. Typically, I don't have it fully all set up, but it's good enough. So I'm here at this table because it won't be used there anyway, so whatever. So these little arm springs for reinforcement. If we come around here, the microphone sits, and then this is for shock resistance, so I can kind of move around a bit. Be fine. This is for filtering out noise, which is not that secure if I can get on the clamp here. I've still got to adjust the clamp a bit more to get it completely working. Yeah, it all kind of folds up. Awesome. Yeah. So, this was kind of like the microphone video. I'll do a little outro after this and see you there through the magic of editing. So yeah, that was this video. Now, just for your information, if you might want to know what this is the USB condenser microphone TU1. It's from Murphac Audio, and if you want to, I'll have a link in the description if I can find the link again. But yeah, so I hope you like this video. I know it's a lot different than what I normally put out, and I probably won't put out another one of these for a long time. And just know, every Friday, do Feedback Friday if you want your games reviewed. Check that out, and you submit your itch games. And yeah, so if you like. If you don't, and subscribe. Peace.